back to day 2 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So if you were with us yesterday for the first day of the unboxing, you would have saw that we got this wonderful ornament that is on my tree, and I have to admit, it is really cute on my tree. So there's that. I did value this at $6.99. I found on the Missouri Star Quilt website a set of 5, and I just divided the cost. I think it was up for $34.99. I divided that by 5, and I came up with the value of this one. So it's not exactly the item, but it's close enough. So today, day 2, we're gonna find out if this is fabric or not. I hope it's fabric. I hope it's fabric. All right, you ready? Here we go. It's fabric! It is a charm pack. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's A Merry Little Christmas by Bonnie and Camille. It says a custom project charm pack. So it is custom, probably to Missouri Star, so I might not have all the pieces from the line, but they are very cute. Let's see if I can get that up there. Let's do that again. You can see all the pieces flying off. Very cute. All right, all right. I love it. I love it. So exciting. So excited that we got some fabric, and maybe there's even a pattern later on to go with this, because that's what they did last year. They had the charm pack and then a pattern, so we'll see. Oh, so excited. All right, so let's take a guess at number 3, and if you don't want to know what number 3 is, or you don't want to see me guess, make sure you turn off your video now. I know some people were upset that I was showing that. I don't know, it's my thing. I like to guess what packages are. So anyway, this is day 3. All right. There's something squishy in here, and there's something rigid. I think it feels like a pattern maybe, and then maybe fabric? I don't know, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a zipper pouch? I don't know, but I can't wait to see what day 3 is, and I'm so excited about this charm pack. So I hope you watched Tracy's video last night for the 12 Days of Quiltmas. If you didn't, I will put a link below for that video. Also tonight, Tiffany from Tiffany's Quilting Life has day 2 of our 12 Days of Quiltmas collaboration. I hope you watch that too. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you tomorrow for the unboxing or unbagging of day 3 of the Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'll see you then. Bye.